Well, I'm gonna try this again. It was so cold and stuff out here that my phone ran out of battery right away. This is my favorite day of the whole year. Our first snow, and this is a doozy this year. We have lots and lots of heavy wet snow. There was a lot of rain and freezing stuff before the snow started. It is so deep, it's almost the top of my muckluck boots. But we've definitely taken a toll. We've lost some big branches and some trees, and we've got some trees that are laying flat down on the ground. But oh my goodness, it is so gorgeous. Oh, I just can't get over how beautiful everything is. I went inside the tree fort, one of the big evergreens here just a minute ago, and maybe I can post that one too, but oh my, it is just spectacularly gorgeous. But it's going to be really hard on the trees. Look at all that snow. They're just like a collapsed umbrella. We got some big trees here. I gotta hurry down the driveway here while I still have power. Look at this! Look at this! You can go inside here, and there's this wonderful fort of protection inside the tree. It's just so cool. I'm having a lot of fun out here. But look at all the snow. You can't even see all the way down our driveway for all the broken trees and covered trees. Every once in a while you can hear a snowplow going by out there on the highway. But oh, look at all the snow hanging on every branch here. Oh, and the only trees that don't have just a ton of snow on them are the really tall ones that are dancing and shaking it all off. Sometimes you gotta dance enough to shake off the tough stuff. But oh, I love me a good blizzard, especially when I don't have to drive anywhere. I am so thankful. I am so thankful that I get to stay home and work from home now and make quilts for y'all. And yeah, what do you want on your quilt? SederQuilts quilting, of course. But oh, take time to enjoy the beauty every day, no matter what's out there. But oh my goodness, look at this scenery, would ya? I just love it. It is gorgeous. Alrighty, time to go make a snowman. Love y'all. Toodaloo.